Veggie Kids Club is a weekly nutrition-based program connecting local children and families to local produce in a way that's interactive, healthy, and fun for the whole family. This year's program connects families from Troy CEO's Head Start program and Hudson Valley Community College's Viking Child Care Center to produce grown and provided by Denison Farm and Blackhorse Farms. Families are provided weekly recipe bags at no cost, and farmers are compensated fairly while creating a community around healthy, delicious food. Brightside Up knows children. Our mission is to create a world where all children are understood, and we strive to do that in all of our work. We do this by meeting children where they are, both at their child care center and at home. Early childhood is when nutrition habits are formed. This year, Veggie Kids Club is working in Rensselaer County, which has a childhood food insecurity rate of 17.8%. One recipe bag cannot cure food insecurity, but we believe that creating a community of positive nutrition exploration around children is important to form early nutrition habits and help grow healthy brains and bodies. Our program allows children to experience their food from seed to plate. The children help to establish and maintain gardens at their child care center. They explore fresh fruits and veggies during weekly lessons in the classroom, and then take that knowledge home to their families. All families are provided a recipe bag free of cost that includes everything needed to make a delicious meal or snack. The families are then invited to join a Zoom cooking party, where our registered dietitian offers suggestions on how to get children safely involved in the cooking process, and tips or substitutions and changes for any taste or budget. We have also created cooking videos like this one, and include recipe cards in each bag with cooking with your children tips. Our goal is to create a community of healthy nutrition around the children we work with by connecting communities to local farmers and getting children involved in their food systems. Our program has provided 750 recipe bags so far this summer and will run until the end of September. This season, we have also provided fresh vegetables for the children and child care providers to explore in the classroom. Children benefit from multiple exposures to the same fruits and vegetables. Our Zoom cooking parties have been well attended, and our videos have been viewed over 200 times. As we move forward, we plan to continue to meet children where they are, and we hope to transition to more in-person options. We're excited to continue this partnership with the United Way so we can reach more children, like Reagan, who tried his vegetables raw, or Olive, who roared like a dinosaur after trying dinosaur kale, or Isabella, who repeated every instruction for her father, or like OG, whose mom says she now tears through peppers on the bottom shelf of the fridge.